kaling an wale shanga diok ka pai diok ron kina dangro widi jan dangro widi bakel bana raj ke riponte chalat pan bukoran palpin riponte ti bana raj ke kui Dr. Machar first by president luga idan insha lugja and then bana nyaw murai kon ka kore chito ka doran shal ke ruweng administrative area gwan mimo shala do shane de shop ka koru jan mangon keni de kudang raw chaka nekten ban report ban yelin kel do bran je to ko je ki ngum shora la dan den ban yelin ka jen report me wane kaman shala gwasa me chana korach ka jen kwi ruweng ruweng ko ra dora shal ka biemnom waji peng na tewe ka mere ben rode netin content chana ketin chiliu jala no ngani chade en nyokame rep koro dien chi gen ka kor bi jen dangro chi go ne ka kor jen bangwan so ban jelin kele no ke report sha no ngwase me chala do ne county commissioner kan executive director washa kana ka jen Sunday morning gwade chi korcha to ka South Sudan Ruweng administrative area ko le la biemnom gwada cha target gwasa me ngwane nuari ke report an shalat ya biemnom county shala do shane chu ke kis chaga displays ke chaga jojo kormo ne chu ke kis ke jang ke civilian jane one time chadi and to gwaden tiji United Nation based staten ray which with me karon mi shalat wun mi shal ke James moinlwa kemijuk jen wujanga chikala do ne shingwane ti jen ka mayom county tela ngwane nuari to ke unit state jene ke Sunday morning ki baka kurun wa ke Sunday chikana biam nom shukana mak karwa chalat gwasa me chala do ne na jene ke jen Sunday mom shina chikbeno nuari ngwane nuari jene cha civilian ti shuko jendang badda kala jiwiti shuko jendang badda ka jene cha kanak ngwane nuari jene te radiant take a man radiant take a god ka radiant take a nitidit ere kuro mo kanisha dini ti shop ke jendang wan la dini South Sudan People Defense Force cha connected ere report kana me dini di jendang wan dini SSPDF ti shana gare kuro mo ta ke gwad mi charwaiten mi de nyoga yekel de yana miling ba no mula da mo de kondi ala linkel
the government in the area plus the civilian counted the dead bodies that were collected from within the vicinity, from where the fighting took place. So counting that number, from the civilian side are 80. That includes women, children, and elderly. And then from the organized forces, you have 40 people. So the 120 dead counted bodies. The number could even go beyond that. That is one. And then you have wounded, both civilian and organized forces. You have 50 people.
Okay. Miling yana mo. Ka jen kane de counter rajin wini mi wudi chala James mo ka kane kwi kore dani chituok kaka civilian ki jiwiti chuga jendang badak sha kanak ka cross fire kan tu ne diten te gaten te mente gaten ke dini de chuga jenwa la dini South Sudan People Defense Force no an gwadran chikur chituokten kan ne di jendang DH no kan ka kora shi gubin yawo miliu kan ne da konan tika bot so kan ji kan total ping nan dia la kon chi liu kan chi wona ko koru jen bakal bangwan ke kudangro ke koru jen bangan like just number ko vai ka ta dan chalat ke jen kan bel kan wari you know bel kan nuar wai ami bel kan kuma spele ayo kashi kuma spele ayo ka jogo no chine de tinen rob danan chia korsia ter ke jen ko en kor me cha tuo ne te konte nyin ka kanir konente ka abiem nom ka ne te konte nyin ke de ne assess pdf ke ngwane no de gen kama yom use kama yom county loken shika part of SPLA IO you know ajen tada na chija SPLA IO shika respond ke jan ke ture ke video mi cha nyot online gwada danen token edicho ko korjen bakeli ko yom wanten de la jang gwada anti ko je tokten bana kula we ka manung kor ka jowe dane ci kon la ke jena wal kore tuong ne ken yam ci kon dia la ngach je tuogo ko bana kula we ka information and content nong dor la unity state information minister te ke she ke shwal ke nyeke nya jones ke jena ne ci kan ngelinga no chana cha kan nak watami ne de tiga ne de kon te ka kum kin ya by the way nye Kenya Jones Cam Nuer Nuera Jaran information minister you know ajani chine information ki intelligence report chine jek gwada dan chala ro chi kori tokten anu cha biam nam county cha jam ma kan ngane nuere man nuere to chikana biam nam chikana ma ka chikana naga men kwer ki ramadan and ka which la commissioner chikana nakan executive director chikana nakan gwada mane are kor mo chane ngwan cha na tela gar jane ko kor mi chirum you know nama mi chalat gwasa me ka respond mi chalat governor of Unity State chief administrator karwe ala respond mi chikan la ke chi garaj you know ko chi ga take emergency talk kwal mu right kan tin ka do dan chi ko chi to ga je ka shi kan chetika den mi chikana jak mi cha wenang gwada mi la South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF Division 4 chana kere ako we na we ka gang ki we kor anyway chana information na kala gwada chana jelin kel ne panel dan pin
whatever had happened in Abiemnom is so unfortunate. It is a very serious issue and we don't condone it as a government of Unity State. So, and in fact, it has costed the life of a commissioner and a deputy commissioner plus other people also.
Ramrai gwasa me gen information minister nya Kenya Jones Care roja lada jen i men ta dan ci to ka biem no ma ken ci lo din ci tet ke ja ko kor ci la kor ndi ke ci ne kwan ci kana ko bi ngai ken ya manu en governor Unity State chief administrator kan dia la wona ka jen ne da kon ga ruwen ka part of kirmi yadi men ngwen kon dong to ko kor boni part of course de laro kan wari but ci janalo jen ka tai dan e shan ne kien you know tai dan chana ne ke je na kan ne kien dang ro ke dio kan ne ka kume SSP de chako parade ene ci lodi ni shujat ka tai dan na kan ne kien ka ci kan kumi ken te je no okay ne go kane mi sha ne go sha na ka sha ne nyut guardian you know kan kuma tel mi kan lat kan right you know they can me solution they can provide so chane information mi chane nyo ko mi link kone kwa min chala da nya Kenya minister nya Kenya Jones lenga ja
These people that went to attack are not armed youth from Unity State. These are, you know, elements of the opposition.
shaling nya Kenya gonye kume SPLAIO jene kan neten counter wana maka bimnom jene ke kume SPLAIO chikondi ala ngai kume SPLAIO chikane denied kan chika part of that ne de kon tergo kur ka dichal ke ter chong Malaysia ke ngwane nware you know but gor kan longo no de kan GSPLAIO de kan kamare kur me ani meran chi kume SPLAIO of course she can respond kan chi ne ten gwadamo tene no gwara di nanne ko mandan le hero shigana government warga no we are not part of that yen terun kene te kon la ngwen ngwen kon de kama yom kan ngwen de kama yom rudien den kon la report shang kene la ya gur kano me cha jo ken cha kana gan then they respond again ta dan len maru je anyway channel full information channel je link je nya
and some other criminals that are just there in the bushes. And this issue is not like something that was not known that it was going to happen. The threat was there already, and that is the reason as to why the day before the issue happened, the day before the incident, our governor, Governor of Unity State, His Excellency Justice Jeffrey, initiated a phone call, a conference call between himself, the Chief Administrator of Ruben, and also the Commissioner of Walpin, the one whom we have lost, unfortunately, and also the Commissioner of Mayom. So the four of them had a conference call discussing what to be done about this threat, because it was a threat. People knew, the government, both the governments were aware that this thing was going to happen. And after the discussion, and then they decided that, a deployment will be done.
Now, Lianga man Chalat Guasama, can they know that this such thing will happen, Karuwing administrative area? So the question is, Mengagan know by Ruwing administrative area by what was the reason for another thing? Misha, Nashi, Akanekos, Enterishong, militia, and motisha, Nakan Shakanek Shako parade. Medan me let Kana more, she can no take a retaliation, but talk can when and worry. Again, she actually she got in distant can be a spell IO, she a part of that. Ko yes spell IO, Michi a court to tell a problem. They can code can talk, but she got in a mat coming their order. Norway amico can like an Najan Nakake, Kacha justice chargeable, talk chargeable. So I can really cannot decide again. So Milling Koname, she Tershong militia, Mashia part of SPLAIO. I do not care part of SSPD of Coach Ala de Shonkel SSPD of what they done. Wo chaka changa je Coach Chala do and go at Tubul Nuatini, wa chicken SPLAIO, chicken support Kitel SPLAIO, the ten cha control the Canadian content la G SSPD. So Gorgon or de Shonkel, can you pong who can American. So then come kala kan ngai ka jen go bato so mangi kan bato ngum kan to kan la no ne kun ka ti ke ne kun cha kan ne so ji kan ngwane kan ga to lo kan right lo kan bi kan ne bi kan la ron yana chine ne kun chine kan ne ko imagine it ko transport nan ka kana ka yun ste nan ka we jan ba ko na kan bi ne mi de fi di min nan ka ne kun ko alo to ko kum la da ke lo mi sha na sha ka ke ba la ke bien ga bi la re ti jen ba yu lu cha du gen cha ka je yo ba yu yen ba mu kurun in the tubla la wonang ka gwara di na madar ko gwade na me ci kono ling me chang no chalat ke social media cha nyan ci kana goron lat ken and we chana full report chana nyoko mi to ko
and General Madi Pulja dispatched a force with two brigadier generals, and they were all sent to Abiyaman to go and, protect as they wait for these people, because these people actually, it was very clear that they wanted to attack Abiyaman, right? Mm-hmm. So both our governments were aware of it, and then when it happened that morning, the forces that came, those criminals that came, they overpowered the Division 4 infantry that was already sent there. And unfortunately, that is where the commissioner lost his life, the deputy commissioner, the executive director also of Abiyaman also lost his life, plus other people.
So miling yana me jen shaling shol kan ga man wera no ka criminal ka shikan wukoran gwasamane shaling no ba ka je report yen chike pull jang chikan nan gwada mo charge deployed la SSPD force division 4 and division 4 mo shawe cha nangan winimi ko bo nyin ke ngwan nuari la tershong malaysia ka report an chalat so kan edit nen kon ka tini ala ngwan nuari painkian ne ke nyam shin meji kon lin kan chikan ti jeno ne ko kan ni ko tin kon tin te shanang chalo ko no lat ke je ko chikan e chana gore chikan ngoro bi ko right ko nang ka within kwada dan integration tom ko cha ka yen anyok they are aware no bne ti bu na bu kan ka magala talk so mne yana me cha pul jang to pul jang la wun wara general ke wun wer to on tin cha deploy ka biem no kan dial bu ko nyin kan wer ken so agenda na cho de lad ne me so chi penen ko ne chi liu wa ke ne to koru de jandang ro ki koru jan bakel ko vari ka social media man cha report jang kan ne koru de jan bangwan ne de ko ne chi liu te ke tin ne men ne to motela tuer and gwa da ne cha kan nakten she commissioner she liu she executive director she liu kan ne dia le ko ken te la de ni point de ni pan ken in division 4 ya ulo jak te ke ne de jandang wan for the soldier deni jandang deni jandang wan no the sha nak tenere kor mo kor mi di chi kor mi to ko ken ter shong Malaysia wa chi kana logo long like ko ne de ma cha kam chon dien ngai kon ku ke biya di malada gwa da me ka social media chinare ya ga long ngai kon me da ne sha la re lo ka cha nu ya ne ga long ya ne ga me civilian kan ne ka di ne ka di ne SSPD ya gwa da me shi ka de ni nya kan de ni ke nuer civilian nye nyoni ke ne tin kon la dini asas pdf ko shaga deploy ni ne lat kan mo civilian ya nak dung dong makaran kan we ko dong telmede to ko rudian dong crossfire ko kun je to no la ne dia la de la kana chu kan ne ko nan sha ko ngwa kel full kel midit no de ko ne je no ngwan ne wuni longtin no ko don't mi chi tour chi janen so just like bako cha talk of course there am mark lia but yang chi kon dol ngo gwan bar la ne kan kon they celebrate that chang chiran che they celebrate in lia radian they do that all the time which is very bad che gwa so right now mi cha to gani cha nga je no che je ko ga report ki media and dia no cha ne nak kin matene and they know that they have been pushing that kor gwan bar nakan na use kan wari lo bu ni kan wasi man ta mashi ka full jang kan ne kan jarol ko ke kan jago ni kan wari and solution ngai ko ne la solution be ko kan ga nur chal ter chong Malaysia chare le ka no so mi shora la no mo te ke report mi shala da United Nation mission gwaz ma ka South Sudan la UNMISS kan ka kor ta ne jandang wani badak te shi wa no kan shi kan ngaji no kor batatan she can confirm no take when she been to kan ngach kan when to she can headquarter ka Sunday she can makarun wang are kur mo she korea to no chane tin content ray which ko she korea to come the SSPDF a reporting kane cha she ne content la civilian shaden bar ke cha ka joj and then what happened was a generation ke kin she shop ka jan UNMISS can ni find can emergency medical care team take a chicken 8023 to take a boat chicken board can carry leka ka jo ran chicken la but the can peg not go when one who can go peg not your rip to win can it one chikala do need shop ka jan one ni ro chikaliu and more report in ka jan report an chitu ka bim nom county no can last year ka ronation ne jan one ro chikaliu kanede ticho ko jan kor jan bakali ko jan dangre ko jan mongwan ti de tinyo ko men liu kanen so na me report me be kaka bu kono shu ngaje no ne na kor ngora tenen ni mi ngora tension jatan kir mo kan cha mal che goro be jeno ma jeno nge jeno kor jatan na mo mi cho de lat dong de nyo ke shana ben ka court special court ke qui first by President Dr. Riek Machar like an actually suspended first by President Ishawood but Riek Machar would mean that Chimal che jihak so ngode hakwa Dr. Machar ke je latno cha luge dan sha luge ramme dan laran forensic evidence ran South Africa la nyinga dialte kon te che president ka ko da wa cha ka approve no ka to cha lat ka ko tam kan document di ala to te chi kan ka to bine ngai kon te chi ren lat ka gwa je dan chi wo shala de wone ne kan evident kon de sha unung tong mi tandien chicken go ko te ga wa te ga pin number still te ga error to want lat ko rinten no you need to contact the judges no chukala no ya nyo kare aleka wa kan yikan go re aleka me chi defend lawyer dak ma charge kala do ti te ga tichi go ten nyok chi defend lawyer dak ma charge kala do ne na bane en kaneten konte wa kwa kanang re wika South Africa ba ko which ba recovering ba ko latin ne re to tele ka luang ke tele ka power ko wa kan ka right ne ke jen South Africa embassy entre wiki ju baba na mo sha ka bel ne de konti la judge ke la jumone ka luga jandi bakali en la lug Dr. Machar to Judge Stephen Simon Isaac, a member of the 3 judges panel, ka janya dang Dr. Kontin Lokana. Ajkala do na kan document te konte sha sumi de jaran forensic mo ran South Africa. Ka gonji tin ka Dr. Machar no te charge ka electronic ni o ka talk kan kamatin cha ka lat commercially prosecution exhibit 9H. Minyodo shikala part of evidence and tama kan kwapta to. She can she can get gwa can the alcatin corner lat Carodian no man document on a sharp person. She can wait it in a talk so she can toy can your mat can evident. New dodi which are matin we mean that chicken da from cha chicken nyokami chicken quid. Presiding Judge James Alala Deng, she native content the defense lawyer, she got it. And go mide mo ka gwat ki time ko di in correct examination di na lat ka digital forensic expert in content channel and ko gor ka no bu ka respond ka ta dan and dong ki de ka wud me de kan biti ka ta dan chi kwanti lat ka ko gor ka no bi kan all the evidence kon changun wud mo bi kan ga guja gwa and then Chukulu Alkur Laran defense lawyer meant to kill Dagmachar and Charach, General defense lawyer and Kulu Alkur. She requests Jetuka near the Condila Jelok. She can get Jogon and a Mojane can indang barrow. Can indang barrow or top Nathan con document the Abnego on your Mugi Naka. Then when they ran forensic expert Menekulu around South Africa. So you can let know they look more de when you come lat ke jaga shambang on kapai de kronkin dang ro jandang ro bakel but gwasame shinetin kontil la prosecutor team she can look at any shine goro by mkinindang baro kanino prosecutor ajo chela do shine look no more kujo money cha bu mkinindang nindang baro jeno ba look ba nyom ko aja continue ka changa bakal ka pai de ko kindang yandang red bakal nindang baro te jikan request ya look kan mu yente nindang baro bi mandan ta dan lat ka do ka je kan belong so kujo money chi judge James Alela Deng che chula do okay cha kam wena ka Friday changa bakal ka pai de ko kindang yandang red bakal ba look and jendi baro din ba should continue tin je report an chora la new do can evident ko na shanu kum kirm yadi ka general for forensic expert mo cha ke accept ke shi ka agree and okay evident yen ta dan len ngor dinga gentleman ngai ko na kan kon dia len kon tin cha gwan ne le cha gwan pot kang shul ke mampal dor ke gadwi lam ngai kon dia le pot kang te runi jendang ngwan la pot kang shul mampal dor te runi jendang do de baro gadwi lam po te runi bakal General Gabriel Duob Lam te runi jendang diech kamlo gan mai runi jengwan baro mading yakrik te runi jengwan diech ke Dominic gat gogri te runi jendang red baro so na me chala do ne ke ne gwade dan mi to kor ke je jen ki kore dan chi to kan nasir me chawi yara diu sha jadak ngane nuari chwana ga me general majudak ke general David majudak chwana ga gwada mo ka chwa ne deni ko dang ro jendang ku dang ro jendir baro re kuro mone ka chi ne content nyak lonkel ke kim yadi de kene cha match ke torbiyele te tene ke 58 million US dollar cha ka dakke cha ka kume nuer wayami ma goin kan kume spela yo kan nuer wayami no cha den mat so na me e jeri podana shoda lat kim ndana le roda ban lugon ban yo continue ga chang bakal ka pay do kon kin na ro bakal en me de la jeri podana ma gore de nyaa kon kel en ban yo jek en ka report den tu pore jeno jin bi nuer online tv channel be support bi subscribe ka bin kon lat krodien bi gorno bi ka ngajba ana lam no comment lam jatu bu gat mo en bi tega mal